Today's been an absolutely exciting day for our region. In our region we have 123 manufacturers in the region employing over 1,600 people, and that's exciting news for any region to have that sort of capacity.
It's just great to see so many people coming out of their business today to talk about manufacturing. For the last few days I've been able to drive across the whole Western Downs region and see so much opportunity, not just for manufacturing but mining and energy and agriculture of course. So much opportunity right now, and who wouldn't want to be a part of that?
You can see all the people that are here today are the people who are looking to advance themselves, in this new world. And yeah, the collaboration is the biggest thing I've picked up out of today. It's great just to navigate the government departments and the support that's there, the connections. I think realising how much we are part of that renewable energy sector in the Western Downs, I think the takeaway out of it is how can we take that to the international market. What can we offer them to come here to be part of that, to bring more manufacturing here to help them meet their net zero targets.
We are at the right point, right time actually for manufacturing, especially bringing advanced technologies into manufacturing, and the opportunity both from the federal and the state government are pushing to have a sovereign manufacturing capability. It's highly important to have a conference or an event like this, because that's where you actually bring different stakeholders where they never have even met before or aware of before.
Every day's usually hectic and you tend to think you're missing out on your normal workload, but it's even today there's 3 discussions I've had that will greatly impact my business. Connections that I was in the back of my mind wanting to make have come out of today. So yeah, that bump factor, once again, you can't underestimate that, and unless you're there, you don't hear the new ideas.
It's a great privilege of mine to be able to travel all over Australia and walk the factory floors and visit manufacturers across a whole range of industry. But when the magic happens is when people come together. So full credit to Western Downs Council for putting on events like this. I think we're going to see much more of this activity coming together, and this is where people can learn more about growing their business and accessing export opportunities for global markets. If we can do that, we'll be producing much more outstanding manufacturing right here in the Western Downs.
I get really excited about the future of the manufacturing sector. If you look at our 4 pillars, and then tourism sits at the other side, but our ag sector will always need manufacturers. Our energy sector will always need manufacturers, and those can supply into that industry. But our intensive ag sector will certainly always need manufacturers at all levels. So the opportunity in the Western Downs is tremendous. I think one of the great things about this is we brought the speakers to the region, and it's that our manufacturers that are already operating don't have to go and chase that new initiatives. They're coming here and they're talking about those new initiatives, and so that opportunity is real, and to be able to give those that are only thinking about moving into the manufacturing sector that opportunity to have that discussions and to have that chat about where the opportunities really lie.